Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Helena Hat. You're welcome. If it's your first time of clicking in, you're welcome. If you have been following me, you're also welcome. In this channel, we'll be doing a lot of tutorials on how to make hat and fascinators, and also I'll be talking about lifestyle and hair growth. So I suggest you click on that subscription button so as to get notification each time I drop a video. So today I want to share a tutorial on how to make a butterfly design with Sinamery. So here is my Sinamery. I'll be needing my Sinamery. I'll be needing my straw bishop cap. I'll be needing my feathers for this project. I'll be needing my tape, my gum, my rubber, my needle and thread, and scissors, of course. So you are welcome once more. Let's go and do this. Now this is a piece of Sinamery I have already cut out, but I will show you how I cut the measurement I measured to cut this out, depending on the size I really want the butterfly to be. So actually this is a half yard of Sinamery. This is a half yard of Sinamery. When you get a full yard, you press into two, you cut out this is a half yard. So out of the half yard I folded into two, then I folded from the edges a triangle shape like this. So this is what I did to get my piece. This is the second side of it, while I've cut out the first side I want to use. So if you actually, maybe at the end of this video, you like the size of what I've just made and you want to make the exact, you need the measurement. So when you cut your 1 yard of Sinamery into two, you fold into two, then you fold in from the tip and measure. Actually what I'm having here is 22 inches. This is 22 inches, which I have already cut out the second part of it. So that is how I've gotten mine. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do now is to fold in the edges of my cut out Sinamery. Fold the edges in neatly like that, like that. I'm done folding in my edges. What I need to do now is to create the pleat here. So just to create my pleatings here. You can do this with or without steam iron. With or without steam iron, you can actually do this. So guys, this is what I've got. This is what I have got. This is my butterfly. So without wasting much of our time, let's go and fix it to this. So my straw bishop cap, and I've already fixed the wire. Here is the rubber I use. You just cut out, you need to cut out some inches. just cut out part of it and fix inside your cap. So let's go ahead and fix this. So now I want to use this my feather to garnish. So, 1 second. Make sure you secure your sewing very well by tightening as many times as possible. So guys, this is what I have here. You can adjust your feather to your choice, to your taste. Make it look very presentable and fine. So this is it guys, this is what I've gotten here. Now this is our Sinamery butterfly. If you so wish, you can bring your own closer like this by tacking with a very neat stitches here to bring it close like this, but I want mine to be like this. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I would like you to like this video, comment and subscribe. If you have loved what I've done here, subscribe so that you can see more. So this is it. So bye guys, show today, see you next time. In my next video I'll be showing something different. Mwah.